Hello everyone, TalentSmiths here. Do you want to have amazingly designed posts in CinchShare? Well, you can do that. I want to show you how to use the Design with Canva feature right inside your CinchShare. So we are on the default page of CinchShare. When you log into your account, you will come to the Schedule a Post page. And if you look in the upper area of the page, if you can see where my cursor is circling, there's a button that says Design with Canva. When you click on the down arrow, it is going to show you what kind of posts you can create. So you can create Facebook posts, Facebook app, Instagram posts, Pinterest, as well as Twitter posts. And so what that means is these are the different size of the graphics that you can create. So this means that we can create a Pinterest sized graphic. Let's choose a Pinterest sized graphic so that we can create one. It's amazing because you can see all of the different templates that are already created, and you can also see which one of those are free with your specific account. So let's choose something that we like, anything that we like. I like this quote. Sometimes the bad things that happen in our lives put us directly on path to the best things that will ever happen to us. I love that because it is so true. So true. And Nicole Reed. So we're going to post this, but not only are we going to post this design through Canva, we are also going to add um, one of our logos to this. We are going to add this logo for I'll make it a little bit smaller. This Edified Entrepreneur logo is the logo for my team page. How cool is that? So once you have your graphic created exactly or designed exactly the way that you want, you can click publish. This will save your design and it will take you back to your page in CinchShare. Yay, our graphic is right down here within CinchShare. But since we've designed this through Canva and we're scheduling it on CinchShare, you can either schedule it or you can save it. If you want to just save this, you can click the arrow right next to the schedule post and save it. If you want to schedule it, you can select whatever network you want to send it to, and then you can schedule it. But I highly suggest that you put it in a folder where you're going to remember that post. So if you put it in a folder and then save it, it's going to be there for you to use at a later time. So remember to brand your graphics when you're designing them in Canva. Make your stamp on your graphics so that everyone will know that it's yours, so that everyone will see that you have consistent content coming out. Design with Canva, very easy to do and very efficient.